I'm good, thanks. How are you doing? Have a nice day. Oh yeah, you asshole. Seriously? You're gonna do it there?
Turning right. I'm turning right, boss.
Go on the correct side of the keep left sign. Achteruit, meneer, achteruit. You'll be able to find your number plate on YouTube on my video, on my channel. Very bad. Good, then you can just go back. I'm not moving. No, you go back there. Dude, I didn't go around the block yesterday. There's only one way to make it quick, which is to get back in the queue. Everything else takes longer. You were also trying that, huh? Have you not seen my videos on YouTube? Very, very bad person. Thank you. Yes, like, man, yes, like. I'm not even South African.
No.
Very bad. Seriously? No way. Can't be doing that. That's just insane. You alright, mate? Oh, he doesn't want to talk. He changed his mind after you saw me, huh? Will he look, or will he look away? Morning, morning.
Hey, morning.
I'll come out score in it.
Oh, see you in a bit.
Morning, morning.
Yeah.
Morning. Please may I say hello to your dog? Hello. My mom used to breed German Shepherds. Hey.
Sorry?
My mom used to breed German Shepherds.
Okay, she's my fifth.
Wow. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
And you.
What does this sign say here? It says keep left. Do you see why you shouldn't do that? There's people coming the other way there. It's very dangerous. You notice here we have look left. People want to look that way. Was that you having a word there? Did you want to say something? Crazy ass dude, right? That's very bad. Normally I would report you to the police for prosecution, you right? You understand, there have been a lot of crashes here because of idiots like you doing this with people coming the other way. Have a look which way it's telling pedestrians to look. Can you see? You will find your number plates on YouTube anyway. Appalling driving. Absolutely appalling. Morning sir, be lucky. Thank you. Good morning. I have to confess, this morning I was feeling a little scared when I came out.
Yeah?
That's pretty for coming here. Yeah, when I left home, you know.
Yeah? Why?
I'm not used to feeling much fear of physical danger.
Oh yeah? I do it every day.
No, only when it's busy. So maybe 10 or 15 times. Come on mate, you're on the wrong side. I can't stop a bike or a motorbike. If they fall off, I'll be on a sticky wicket.
It's cross your will, man. Cross your will.
That-
You have nothing to do, you have no job.
I do have a job, but not right now, thankfully.
Now what you do?
I work for a wealthy family.
Well, thanks.
Yes.
Well, family must be proud of you.
Funny enough, I caught my boss's friend once. That was quite embarrassing. I was really like this, but my boss was fine with it.
Doing what? Are you a butler or?
No, I work with a young disabled son.
So you
He's-
look after the like mental health or?
No, he just doing various stuff with him, like sports and occupational therapy, that kind of stuff.
Well,
He's like my third son, you know.
I imagine.
He's a good kid.
I imagine. You're a good
But
guy.
here we have another one. Maybe.
He's gonna try. He's gonna try.
So maybe he's turning around. You'd have thought he'd see me. Have a good day. Good morning, sir. That's very kind of you. Super fashionable, by the way.
Bless you, you are kind. Thank you. Have a
No,
good day.
I noticed. I wouldn't have noticed before working for my boss, and she's very much into her fashion.
Oh, well, that's great. Oh, lovely. It's nice that you're noticing. Well, hope you have a good one.
You too.
I've seen your video. Very good.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Everyone else is like, just getting sprayed.
It's so great. So you get so much less wet when you do that.
Yeah.
Even if you're riding on your own without anyone else impolitely spraying you up the face from in front of you. Is this a Parker or a wrong sider?
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh dear. And your bonnets. Keep left. That means you go on that side. You go back in the queue. I'm not moving, I got nowhere to go. The more you wait here, the more you lose. Not interested. You don't go on the wrong side of the road. You should. If I were you, I'd get out of the seat of a bad driver like this. They often are, but not at the moment. Your lovely custom number plate will now be found on YouTube. I'll upload your bad driving. Have a look there on the ground. You see which way it's telling pedestrians to look. They're telling pedestrians to look that way, not the direction you came from. That was a very dangerous and stupid piece of driving. Shame on you.
He's a chauffeur and the two blokes.
Yeah, it's actually like an Uber or something.
Oh, is it an Uber?
It's got a green sticker.
Okay. Yeah,
And the blokes in the back are cussing me for...
yeah. No, I thought he might have been a chauffeur, but yeah, it's just an Uber XL, isn't it?
The other day, some Pakistani bloke was giving me a hard time. I give it the toba. He was like,
Oh no.
my boss is from Pakistan.
Right.
Funny, Uber drivers often don't give you a lot of shit on the wrong side here.
Yeah, it's just, I think they definitely know what they're doing. It's a thing.
Yeah.
I'll catch you guys later.
Take it easy.
Cheers. Yeah, don't go that side.
Sorry?
Don't go that side.